Alright, everybody. Hello. This is Uri and welcome to my channel. This is 𝐾𝐨 Express. As you all can tell from the title of the video, today I will be showing you all how to draw and color a bumblebee flying into outer space. Very cool drawing. If you all are interested in that, let's not waste any time. Let's get into the video. But first, let me show you what supplies I will be using today. Let's get into step one of this particular art lesson today. So first thing first is we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw what I call a grid. I'm going to draw in a line vertically, and we're going to have drawing a line for half of the page horizontally. To first start with the mountains. We're going to use, I would say, the pyramid shape. So it's going to be a tall mountain over here, and we're going to have a smaller one over here. So let's draw that in. All right, so now we have in our mountains. Let's draw in our clouds. All right, now let's draw in the star of the show, the bumblebee. So now we're done with the bumblebee, and add some details and round everything out to make it look like what I want it to look like, right? So let's do that. So we done got that all in, and I think it looks good. So let's get into the coloring, y'all. All right, everyone. So we didn't finish the coloring portion of this art lesson today. And that brings us to the end of this art lesson or video. So I hope you all enjoyed today, drawing along with me. I know I enjoyed it as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.